Hello, bosses, and welcome back to my channel. I am just getting my life together this Sunday morning and have a project that I want to do. So I'm going to take you along for the ride. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I have this little space right here, right outside my bedroom door, and it's a nice little nook area. My husband likes this picture, but I also have this door that leads out to our pool area, our backyard oasis. And so I was thinking, and it's also off of my kitchen, and so I was thinking that this area right here would be perfect, just a perfect little nook for a primary suite coffee bar. So I went to Hobby Lobby and found a really cute little table that we're going to put right here in this area. And then I have a mirror that I've had for years. I can't even remember where I got it. It must have been like at a consignment store or something. Somebody had it. I don't know, but it's like, I don't know. It's pretty, but I'm gonna paint it white. I'll show it to you in a second. I'm gonna put this here, and I got a little piece of artwork that has a positive saying on it and a little plant. So I'm gonna put that up here, just kind of have it decorated. And then on the table that I put right here, I am going to have my Nespresso machine and like all the fixings and a little refrigerator for our creamers, so that when we walk out of our bedrooms in the mornings, like as it becomes spring, we can just go out this door and sit. I'll show you. We can go right outside the door here. And I have a little seating area right here, and we can sit right here and booyah, watch our morning TV or do our morning Bible study or have our prayer time or meditation time and just really enjoy the day, start of our day. So this is right off of our little bedroom area, and so I thought that would be probably a really good idea, so we don't have to go into the main part of the house. No matter how early it is, we can make our coffee and go sit outside, not disturb the rest of the house, and really have a really positive start to our day. So let me show you the table and the artwork, and I'll show you the mirror that I'm going to paint white. Probably get that done this week. So I'm just going to take you along for the project as we decorate this space. It's all a part of having a quality of life, as I'm talking about. As an entrepreneur, things get so busy and you just get so caught up in trying to grow, as well as being mom, wife, spouse, friend, daughter, sibling, and you just need your own little oasis. And so that's what I am trying to do with my bedroom. I suggest that you do that, and maybe if you're interested in hearing how I've created my bedroom as an oasis space and sort of my process, let me know in the comments down below, and I will do a video sharing with you sort of how we fostered that mindset in our household from an early age, so that our children respected our bedroom as our sanctuary space. Let me know if that's something that you'd be interested in hearing about, and I definitely will do a video about it. But for now, let me show you how I'm going to extend my primary bedroom suite out into this little cubby area here and make a coffee bar. So let's get to it. So here is the table, and it's not huge, but it will serve the purpose, I hope. Let's get it in the space and check it out. Okay, so it looks like it fits okay in the space. What I'm thinking is we'll put the Nespresso machine here on top, and then I'll put like a little refrigerator down here on the bottom, because there is an electrical outlet behind there. So I'll put like the little refrigerator there. That'll be where our creamers and things go. And then up here on the shelf, we'll see, but I do have, I'll show you what I have a little bit. It's like a little two-tiered thing, and that's where we could keep like maybe our coffee cups and the sugar container, or like the little container where I keep my stevia packets, and my husband, I'll keep him a little sugar bowl there and some little stirrers or whatever, so that we can stir our coffee. And I'll probably have another container with my vital protein packets that I can just put there, so that I can just pop a packet in the morning and just keep that stocked instead of having the big container. I don't know, we'll see if I'll do that, because I already keep the big container. Anyway, this is a water filter thing that I had here, because I had another little single cup coffee maker here that I was going to try to use, but then I got my Nespresso machine. And then these are all of our remotes, or the items we use outside. We have two TVs outside, so we've got one in our new pergola, and then this is the one for the one that I just showed you outside, right outside my bedroom door. And then this is for a fan that we had outside. My daughter has it in her room now, but when it gets really hot in Texas, I had a little fan that sort of really pushes more air around the pergola. So anyway, yeah, this is it. Let's see, I'll show you the other things now. Okay, so I got this little tiered thing here, and I thought I would put cups, we've got these really nice coffee cups. I'll go get those and show them to you. They're white. I thought we could put those down here at the bottom. And then up here, I could put like a little container that has my husband's sugar, my stevia, and then a little container with our protein powder in it. Collagen protein that I put in my coffee first thing in the morning. So that's what I was thinking about there to go on the shelf. And then I have this little plant here that I got that I thought would be really pretty that would go beside this little "Be kind and try your best." I thought that was a positive little affirmation first thing in the morning. Nice little thing to see when you first wake up. And then I'll have that sort of leaning up against this. And then I'll have the plant, you know, like right next to that. We'll see. And then I also got these beads. I don't know why. I've seen people use these and I'm not quite sure why, but I saw them, they were white, and it really goes with the aesthetic that I'm trying to create for that little zen space right there. So I don't know, tell me what you think. Leave a comment below, and let's get started styling this, shall we? First we gotta paint the mirrors, but I'll get on that and then we'll put everything together. Hey guys, it is so much later from when I created my coffee bar. I have truly been enjoying it, I have to say, but I wanted to pop on and close this video out and just tell you that in my day, I have been known to do a lot of DIY projects. When my husband and I first got married, we would go to, well, I would go to thrift shops and find pieces. So some of our furniture, a lot of the really good sturdy furniture that we have in our house is furniture that I found in little consignment shops and secondhand shops, and I had them cleaned and reupholstered, but some of those pieces are some of the best pieces in my house. So I am not new to the DIY situation. I don't know how many more projects I have in me, just simply because we don't really have anything else we need to decorate in our house, but I thought this would be a fun project to share with you guys. Leave in the comments below, tell me if you are a DIYer, and maybe even you can DM me over on Instagram, AF Patrick, some of your favorite DIY projects. I am so thrilled with my Nespresso machine, FYI. If you do not have one, you should invest. It is amazing. The coffee is just delicious. The box that I got came with a frother too, so oh my gosh, that just makes it a whole different level of coffee. So anyway, I hope you really enjoyed this little project that I have for myself, and as the spring continues to spring, I will be taking some footage of me like making my coffee and sitting outside and really enjoying the backyard. I don't think I've done a full backyard tour for you guys. So we had a pool put in last year and I did document that process. So maybe I'll pop that up one day when I'm heading out to have my coffee and, you know, just do a little footage on that and have that for some B-roll for you. Anyway, thanks again for watching. If you have not subscribed and you love this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you never miss an episode, and come back because I am doing tons of fun things over here on this channel, especially if you enjoy personal branding, personal style, and business tip videos and lifestyle, just in general, lifestyle. Keep sticking in with me and we will have a load of fun together. All right, guys, have a great day. Oh, and forgive the makeup thing. I said, this is like a long time later, so I'm just popping on to close the video out. All right, guys, see you next time.